What if the food on your plate held the key to a healthier, longer life? What if every bite you took could do more than nourish? It could heal, protect, and even prevent disease. This is the promise of functional foods, a fascinating intersection of science and the art of eating. These are no ordinary foods. They're enhanced with health benefits that go beyond basic nutrition, driven by cutting-edge research and a growing focus on disease prevention. Consider sports drinks designed to replenish your body after exercise, seaweed packed with minerals like iodine that support thyroid health, or even wine boasting antioxidants like resveratrol, which may reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 25% when consumed in moderation. While these foods sound promising, they're just the tip of a much larger iceberg. The real question is, how much of it is hype, and how much is real science? Beyond individual foods lies the power of flavonoids, plant compounds found in a wide range of fruits, vegetables, and teas. These compounds act as natural defenses against oxidative stress, a major driver of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease, which together account for nearly 70% of deaths globally. Flavonoids may even support brain health, potentially lowering the risk of cognitive decline by 20%, and protect the heart by reducing inflammation. But how much of these foods is enough? Can you eat your way to immortality, or are these benefits just one piece of a much larger health puzzle? Herbal remedies like berberine and phytoestrogens are also stepping into the spotlight. Berberine is celebrated for its potential to reduce oxidative stress and improve blood sugar management, with studies showing it may reduce fasting blood glucose by up to 20% in people with diabetes. Phytoestrogens, found in soy and flaxseed, mimic estrogen and may help with hormonal balance, potentially reducing hot flashes during menopause by 40%. While the science is promising, these herbal interventions are not miracle cures. They're tools that need to be approached with caution and a broader understanding of how they fit into a holistic health strategy. The future of functional foods becomes even more intriguing and perhaps a little unsettling when nanotechnology enters the equation. Imagine food packaging that detects spoilage or nutrients delivered at the cellular level for maximum absorption. These innovations could help solve critical issues like malnutrition, which affects over 820 million people globally, or reduce food waste, which costs the world $1 trillion annually. However, with such advancements come unanswered questions about long-term health effects and environmental sustainability. While the possibilities are groundbreaking, it's essential to balance innovation with responsibility. Functional foods like probiotics and prebiotics are gaining attention for their role in gut health, which scientists now link to everything from mental health to immune function. Foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kombucha are teeming with live bacteria that help maintain a balanced microbiome. Research suggests that probiotics may reduce the duration of colds by 30% and even lower the risk of certain digestive disorders like IBS by 50%. Yet not all probiotics are created equal, and more isn't always better. Choosing the right strains and understanding your unique needs is critical for maximizing their benefits. Despite the buzz around functional foods, they cannot replace the fundamentals of health. A balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep form the foundation of well-being. Functional foods should be seen as the cherry on top, not the entire sundae. A holistic approach is key to making sustainable, impactful changes to your health. So, how can you harness the power of functional foods responsibly? Start by educating yourself. Look beyond marketing claims and seek evidence-based information. Experiment with functional foods like probiotics or seaweed, but do so mindfully, paying attention to how your body responds. Above all, prioritize balance and variety in your diet instead of chasing the latest health fads. The choices you make about what you eat shape your health and your future. Functional foods offer incredible potential to enhance well-being, but they're just one tool in your health journey. The challenge is to take control of your plate and make choices that align with your goals. What foods will you explore to not only fuel your body but empower your life? How will you use the science of functional foods to transform your health story?